Hey guys, what's up? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just some channel updates of what's getting ready to happen. First off, the studio continues to be very busy with several projects, and I've actually also decided to start up a couple of new things, and I'd like to share those with you right now. Um, First off, the Q&A will still be monthly, as mentioned in my community tab. Excuse me. And there's also going to be a new live stream series that will be starting on January 3rd, and that is called Model Railroad Monday. It will be a live stream of focusing on model trains only. This is all outlined in the community section, so if you have not looked at that post, please do so by clicking the community tab, and it is the first post that is on the list. It tells you all about it. There will be a prompt for that, and I explain about some of the things that we'll discuss about. So this is going to be a really good move right there for the start of the ensuing year. Also, I'm going to also start a brand new news segment called the Engineers Bulletin. And you're probably wondering, what am I going to do there? Well, the Engineers Bulletin is just going to talk about what's been happening in the studio. If I can't do a live video update like I'm doing now, I will be putting these out periodically of what's been going on and incorporating the video updates as well. So I'll be kind of using different aspects here, and we're gonna just try to get some of the words out a little bit different. So just making some new changes. But the engineers bulletin stuff, that will be get ready to happen at any time now. So I will be going and start doing another post up here. Probably the start of October is when all that's going to be taking place. Um, just trying to think now. We got engineers bulletin get ready to come out, and we also have Model Railroad Monday starting in January. So for the next couple of months, I will be doing some planning on that, as well as trying to understand, some of the common problems, getting tips together, things like that. I will be collecting all of that up so I can read some stuff on my ends. And so if you have questions, I might be able to answer it. So uh, but that's pretty much it of what's getting ready to happen. So some new things are going to be taking place on the channel, which I'm really excited about. Expect the first engineers bulletin to come out sometime first week in October, somewhere along in there. I will be putting all of that up as well. So lots of good stuff get ready to happen on the channel. So anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And September's Q&A is getting ready to close, so if you have not yet submitted your questions, you better submit it now because time is running out. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you look forward to the new changes, and I will see you next time. Peace out, everyone.